Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassie and I'm here with another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my most valuable purchases this year. I got this last week and this is the OBH NORDICA 2-in-1 air fryer and grill. One thing about me is whenever I want to get any kitchen essential or kitchen equipment, I always check for durability and how it's really going to serve me. So when I came across this 2-in-1 air fryer and grill, I just thought to myself, this is definitely going to be a very, very good purchase for me. I unboxed this last week, so I'm just going to put a clip in the video so that you can see how the unboxing process, went down. If you love dual functionality with kitchen accessories, then you will love this OBH NORDICA 2-in-1 air fryer and grill. This air fryer comes with an XL capacity of 4 liters, which cooks a variety of healthy dishes with little or no oil. It's also easy to use thanks to a digital LED panel with 8 preset programs. The adjustable temperature from 80 to 200 degrees Celsius and time function of up to 60 minutes makes this super functional. I also got an air fryer recipe book just to try out some different recipes. You can check this product on my Amazon storefront. The link is in my bio. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos. I'm going to be telling you a lot about this 2-in-1 air fryer. I've used this twice and I can tell you for a fact that this is a very, very good one. It's really, really lovely. I'm also going to tell you some of the most important things that you need to know about this. And of course, I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you today. We're going to be preparing this recipe in this air fryer. Yes. So if you love food, healthy food for that matter, you need to stick around to the end of this video. When you open this, you are going to see a manual. It comes in about 4 to 5 languages, including English, and it just tells you, what the manual does. It tells you how to use it, and it also includes different kinds of meals that you can make with this 2-in-1 air fryer and grill. So one of the things I really, really love about the manual is the fact that it even includes like a table that shows you different meals and the time that you can prepare it in the air fryer or even grilling. So for example, here we have frozen chips and you can do that for 15 to 20 minutes. You also have homemade French fries. You have frozen potato wedges. Let's say you have your potatoes frozen. You can actually do that in your air fryer. Like you make it look very, very fresh when you want to eat. The first thing is it is a low fat air fryer and you do not need oil, especially if you're someone who is trying to reduce the amount of oil that you actually use in your cooking. Then this is a very, very good product. It has the removable part and it is dishwasher friendly. It's dishwasher safe, so you can actually wash the different parts in your dishwasher. It has a 60-minute timer and an adjustable temperature for up to 200 degrees Celsius. So if you want to prepare something for 140, 160, up to 200, you can actually adjust this. I really love this because it has a digital panel. It also comes with a 4.2-liter capacity. So if you're making something for a large number of people, well, you can actually use this air fryer. When I wanted to get this, I actually like things that are portable and not so large, and that is why I went for this particular size. Because it's a 2-in-1 air fryer and grill, it comes with a grill accessory included. So something that you can actually use to grill your meat, your fish, whatever it is. Now that we've talked about this, I'm going to show you what the air fryer really, really looks like, okay? Now this is the air fryer. Can you take a look at how beautiful this is? This is beautiful. I love everything about this air fryer. So here we have the pan where you put your things, and this is the grill plate where you can actually place whatever it is that you want to grill. So without this, all you need to do is just put in whatever meal that you want to make in here without this. But whenever you want to grill something, you just attach this in here. Sorry for that noise. And it's good to go. Fast cooking and healthy food. I also got a recipe book, and this is in Swedish, and it's called Lekkra Recept for din air fryer. It has a lot of recipes that you can make with this 2-in-1 air fryer. Now we are going to make something from this book. Can you guess what that will be? So I'm going to pick something that is pretty simple, and something that, of course, you have to consider the ingredients that you have at home. If you're interested in getting this 2-in-1 air fryer, please check the description box. I have linked this particular 2-in-1 air fryer in the description box. You can check it on my Amazon storefront, and trust me, you are going to fall in love with this. So now let's go straight into making our spring rolls. This is what we're going to make. We are making some spring rolls. This is called vegetariska vårrullar in Swedish. Let us get started. Yes. For this special spring roll, I'm going to add some protein. I'm adding some shredded beef. I've cut this into tiny cubes so that at every bite of the spring roll, you have something so nice for you to eat. I also have my onions, garlic, and ginger, very important. I have some carrots which have been shredded, and cabbage. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil into the pan, half a teaspoon of salt, and you're going to put in the beef. Now you're going to add in any seasoning of choice. I'm going to add some oregano, nutmeg, and some curry powder. So I'm going to just add a little bit of oregano here, nutmeg powder, some curry, and some black pepper. Stir this together. The beef is almost ready. So now that our sauce is ready for our spring rolls, you can see how easy it was to make that. I'm going to be using this spring roll wrap. And I'm going to add our filling. You can see how lovely that is. This filling is everything. So nice. To wrap our spring roll right now. And make sure that your hands are clean. Push this back. Roll. And then when you're just getting to the end here, we're going to fold this in this way. And the same thing for the other side. And we're going to roll that. So just at the tip here, as you can see, I have some corn flour mixture. So we're just going to apply that here just to bind it together. And we have that. So we have one spring roll ready. and our spring roll is ready to go into the air fryer. So this is for the grilling. So we're not grilling anything, so I'm just going to keep this aside to put the. This is what we have. So now we are going to air fry this, and you're going to be amazed at how this is going to turn out. So turn this on, and we are going to use air fry. You can see that there's air fry and there's grill. So just tap on air fry, and I'm going to reduce the time to about 20 minutes, or let's say 18 minutes. I think 18 minutes will do the job. So that is exactly what we're going to do, and then you're just going to turn this on, and now the job has started. Guys, I want you to take a look at this. Just take a look at that. So beautiful, and the aroma from this spring roll is on another level. You need to try this, guys. Place this here. Oh, it's looking so good. Just take a look at that. Oh guys, look at that. This is amazing. Just take a look at this. This is so good. You're going to love this. I really love this. So let me know in the comments what you think about this, and if you want to get this 2-in-1 air fryer and grill, all you need to do is check the description box. I've linked it there. You can get it via my Amazon storefront. Please do well to get yours right now. It is available and can be shipped to anywhere in the world. So wherever you are, if you're in Sweden, you're in Norway, you're in Netherlands, you're in Nigeria, you're in the US or UK or Canada, please get this 2-in-1 air fryer. You're not going to regret it. I'm telling you for a fact. This is so good. Like, I'm still shocked. And of course you have to get your feeling right, okay? So let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and also share to your friends and family. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. I love you. Let me eat my own. Let me have this with some hot tea.